7:39 a.m. Just saw a moose. Anytime you see a moose, it's going to be a good day. So today's going to be a good day. Third time up to Big White this season in my third different vehicle. Oh my God, Rudy / Al that works at Southwest Air. We're dying to know. Oh, what are you rocking now, Al? What kind of car are you driving now? Well, this baby's a 2009 Toyota Corolla. It's a Corolla that belongs to my father, Kelly Pops Reed. That's my dad's car. Recognize, Kelly. Great.
Yeah, I got him from Spirit of Halloween.
Oh yeah.
Down in Capri.
Yeah.
Everyone thinks this is the Scandia monkey. They had it monkey time at Scandia.
Gondola confession time. I'm not naming names, Mark. First time I was ever on this gondola back in maybe 2000. Well, we hotboxed it. Whew! Geez, I feel better. I know what you're thinking. Geez, Al, you haven't been putting any videos up. Well, I've been working a little bit at the Heli Lodge. And the Heli Lodge is kind of like Vegas. What happens at the lodge stays at the lodge. Same thing, there's Mariah, there's Brett, there's Mac.